Hey guys, in this video I'm super excited to show you the strategy on how to make money with affiliate marketing using Google Sheets. It's really powerful, guys. Alright, and the best part about this strategy, this is 100% free. You can get started using spreadsheet for free, and then I'm going to show you guys how to drive traffic into your offer to get you guys unlimited free viral traffic on complete autopilot without you having to lift your finger. It's really powerful. Alright, and if you like content like this, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell icon so you guys will get notified every time I upload money making strategy like this to help you guys make money online. Keep watching. Okay, so the first thing is I need you guys to open up a spreadsheet. Now if you don't know how to open a spreadsheet, you can just go to google.com and you'll be able to click on these dots right here. When you click on these dots right here, guys, it's gonna show you these options right here. Now when you guys scroll down right here, be able to click on these sheets right here. When you guys open this one, it's gonna open up a page that looks something like this, right? And I need you guys to click on this blank sheet right here, be able to create a brand new sheet for this method, right? Alright guys, so the next step, guys, is open up at Google and then look for an article that is related to the offer, the product, or software that you'll be promoting. Now in this case, guys, I'll be promoting ClickFunnels Alternative or Funnel Builder. Now you're not just limited to ClickFunnels Alternative or Funnel Builder. You can also, search something like best affiliate marketing programs for beginners, or autoresponders, or hosting, best hosting for 2022. You can also do that. Alright, so just like I said in this video, I'm gonna be promoting ClickFunnels Alternative. Now the reason for that, guys, is I can also make recurring affiliate commissions if I make a sale promoting this funnel builder right here, which is ClickFunnels Alternative. Alright, so what I can do now is I can open back my Google Sheets right here, and I put in a name, description, pricing, and link right here. And this is where you make money. This is where you put your affiliate link. Now I need you guys to, just like I said, open up an article, look for an article. So let's say ClickFunnels Alternative right here, and you would this one is like 10 best ClickFunnels that you should not miss, right? You can also use this if you wanted to use this. And this one is like top 24 ClickFunnels Alternative, the best ClickFunnels Alternative. And then this one is like the 10 best ClickFunnels Alternative to use in 2022. So now you can open any of this website, just like this one. And I found this website, and I'll be promoting these tools right here because I know these tools, right? So what I can do now is I can copy this one, copy the title of that tool, and then paste that name right here. Alright, so this one right here, and then you can click on this one right here, and it's gonna redirect you to the section right here. Now what you can do, guys, is you would copy the description of that tool and then go back right here, put that description right here. Alright, and then go back right here, scroll down a little bit, you should be able to find the pricing plan right here. So this one right here, so this is the pricing plan. Now what I can do is I can paste my pricing plan right here, something like that, and then so that's pretty much it. And then the rest is this affiliate link right here. This is where we paste our affiliate link, right? Now what we can do now is to go to the second one, which is systeme.io. So I'm gonna copy this one right here, I'm gonna put that one right here. I'm sorry about that. So what I can do is I'm just gonna type in like systeme.io, system, alright, and then put in copy the description of that system. So copy this one and then paste that one right here, place a plain text right here, and then go back right here and look for the pricing plan right here. So this one right here, you can copy this one, or we can copy all this thing right here, but I'm just gonna copy this one right here, and I'm gonna paste this one right here. Alright, I'm gonna go back right here, and then I'm gonna copy. Now we will be pasting our link later in this video. But what you need to do, guys, is you would copy all these, you know, tools right here. So you found all these tools, which is 10 click funnels alternative. So you can copy, you know, all those tools right here, which is, you know, all those 10 tools right here, and you put the description, the pricing plan, and the link. Now to get your affiliate link, now what you can do, guys, is you would look for this tool right here, which is this one is Get Response. Now you can go to Google and look for Get Response, right? And look for the official website of Get Response. So this one right here. Now I don't have any affiliate link for Get Response. Now what I can do is the second tool is System. Now I have an affiliate link for systeme.io. So what I can do is I'm gonna go to systeme.io. I'm gonna sign into my account right here. But what you need to do, guys, is you would apply for the affiliate program. Now you can scroll down at the bottom of this website right here and look for affiliate program, right? So let's try to look if we can see this one right here, affiliate program. Now what you need to do, guys, is sign up your account, put in your email right here and sign up your account. That way you can get your affiliate link. Same thing with Get Response and other tools right here, right? Look for it at the bottom portion of the website, right? So this one is Kartra, or we can go to Get Response, right? Official website of Get Response. And then what you need to do, guys, is to scroll down again right here and look for the affiliate program. If you can find the affiliate, so this one right here, click on the affiliate program and sign up as an affiliate. And this one you can make like 30% commissions every month, and this one also you can make $100 every time you make a sale. So it's up to you if you wanted to choose this recurring payment or if you wanted to choose this upfront commission payment right here, right? So you sign up your account. So I'm just gonna sign into my systeme.io account because I already have a, you know, an affiliate link for systeme.io. So I'm gonna click on sign in right here. But basically this is where you get your link. So I'm just click on affiliate dashboard right here. I'm gonna copy my affiliate link. So this is my affiliate link. So what you can do is copy your affiliate link, and then this is where you put your affiliate link right here. Alright, so this is your affiliate link. Alright, and then just copy and paste all those tools right here, description, pricing, and all the links for all those, you know, all of your affiliate links for all of those tools. Alright, now what you need to do now is click on the share, and then, you know, replace this with, let me show this. Now change this into best click funnels alternative. Alright, so you have all these tools, which is 10 to 20 to 30 tools, and you have all of these links right here that contains your affiliate link. Now what you can do, guys, is click on share, and then, you know, anyone with the link, and then this is your link. Now you can easily share this link. We can copy this link and we can open this link in a new browser. Anyone will access this link can see all these tools, and they can anytime click your affiliate link right here that contains this one right here, right? So that's pretty much it. Now what you can do now is you would send traffic into this, you know, you would basically give away this you know, checklist. Right, now what you can do, guys, is you would, you know, I created this sample video right here. Alright, so I'm just gonna show you that video. Alright,
I told you I'm not here to mess around.
alright, guys, now you can, you know, create a video similar to this, guys, which is really simple to do, guys. Right, and what you need to do, guys, is you would upload this kind of video using your TikTok account and combine it with Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, and Facebook Reels. So just basically create one video, just one video like this, and then re-upload that one video into 4 different social media platforms. And what you need to do, guys, is you would copy your, you know, checklist link right here. You would put this, you would copy this one, and you can shorten this using bit.ly, or you can go to bit.ly.com to shorten this link, or you can just basically copy this link and then put this link in the description, in the comment section, or in the bio of your, you know, TikTok channel or YouTube channel or Facebook Reels or Instagram Reels, right? Create one video, this kind of video, and then you would put this link into the comment section, the description, or the bio of your different social media accounts, especially TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is really really powerful, guys, when you combine this four traffic sources. And the best part, it can get you like results within 24 hours, guys, because this kind of short videos will make your videos viral, and it's really really powerful, guys, to make money with affiliate marketing, right? So that's pretty much the method, guys. All you have to do is take action, and you can make monthly recurring commissions out of this strategy. So it's like I said, you're not just limited to ClickFunnels or the alternative. You can also promote hosting. You can also promote autoresponders, other tools out there. You just basically be creative. You create this kind of content, just one video, 20 minutes. You spend like 20 minutes per day creating this kind of video, guys, and you can make a ton amount of money if you guys take action, which is really really powerful, guys. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much the method, guys. And if you guys wanted to learn how to edit this short videos using only your mobile phone, I have a video training, guys, to show you exactly how to do this. Let me know if you wanted to check it out. I actually unlisted that video, but if you guys wanted to get access to that video, just comment in the comment section below. I'm gonna personally send you the link of that video. That way you can also watch a video on how to edit this kind of video using only your mobile phone. And by the way, guys, if you wanted to make your first $1,000 online without paying for ads, without paying for traffic, guys, I have this free training. Within this video, guys, I'm gonna reveal to you my 3 simple step process on how I'm able to generate my first $1,000 online. I'm gonna send you that free video training personally. That way you can use that method and start implementing that method and start making your first $1,000 online. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you. Mwah.